But just this presence of mind to say, hey, I've got to take a shot and put one up there and give us a chance in the end zone.
How about Burberry?
Smart play. Burberry going up again. How about that? He really improved over his career up in state.
What a great way to end this game in a season in which we had a couple of exclamation point Hail Marys. These over 100 college seniors doing their best to impress for the NFL. We end with a Hail Mary here as well.
You're not going to kick the extra point?
Why bother? Why bother, Charles Davis? It's a touchdown. The points are officially on the board. Jeff Driscoll with a 29-yard Hail Mary to Aaron Burbridge out of Michigan State. And that is how this edition of the Reese's Senior Bowl comes to an end. 27-16.